Alright guys, I'm here with my 300zx that probably has some misfire cylinder, so I'm trying to figure out which is going to be. I just mark it with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So basically what I'm going to do is unplug the coil packs to find out where exactly is the misfire cylinder. So let's start it out. Okay, it sounds good and everything, but it's losing power. It's working on a high cylinder just. So let's try this. See the difference? Okay, put it back on and it runs better. Alright, then I'm going to try this over here. See the difference? Alright, put it back on, runs better. Same for this. Alright. And the last one. Alright, that means these three are fine. That one. So there's only two remaining. Let's try this. See, it's unplugging right now and it's the same. Put it back on. Running same. So probably it's going to be a cold pack, probably it's going to be a spark plug, or probably the injector. Alright guys, I just took out the coil pack from the 300zx. So basically what I'm going to do is check if the coil pack is good. If it produces a spark over here, that means it's good. Oh yeah, it's good. Alright, so that means the coil pack is good. Alright guys, that's it.